Unleash your full potential with the SF1877 Belt Drive Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. Stabilize your ride, then power through the most intense workout safely when you strap into the adjustable pedals. Optimize your riding position and performance when using the thick 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars with multi-grip functionality. With a wide range of 28 to 36.5 inches in inseam length, this bike accommodates a variety of riders. With the twist of the dial, increase or decrease the magnetic tension instantly. The heavy-duty frame can support riders up to 265 pounds. A near-silent, smooth belt drive paired with a 28.5-pound flywheel create a comfortable, quiet environment. Keep track of your heart rate with the convenient pulse sensors. Stay engaged with your favorite workouts with the integrated tablet holder. Conquer any training program using 7 trackable training variables to measure everything from cadence to calories burned. When you're ready to call it quits, push down on the dial to stop the bike. Cool down with the water bottle holder, then move the bike out of the way with the transportation wheel. Train with confidence using the SFB1877 Belt Drive Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike.
Introducing the Exerpeutic 400 XL Folding Recumbent Bike with LCD display and pulse monitor from Paradigm Health and Wellness. Getting in shape doesn't need a lot of space in your house. The Exerpeutic Space Saver Folding Recumbent Bike is your solution. It's designed as semi-recumbent, is very easy to get on and off the bike, and provides a more effective and comfortable workout. And it will fold to half the size when you want to store it. Plus, it's easy to move with the included transportation wheels. Here's what you can also expect from the Exerpeutic Space Saver Folding Recumbent Bike. The 8-level magnetic tension control system that allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult workout. A 3-piece high-torque cranking system provides a smooth and consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a smooth and quiet operation. You can watch TV or listen to music while working out with no interference. It's designed to give you comfort and safety while exercising. The large seat cushion and backrest are for users of any size and are adjustable to fit 5'2" to 6'2" user height. The larger pedal design with safety strap prevents any foot slippage when exercising. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping. It can support a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. It even comes with an easy-to-read, large window 3.3-inch LCD display that indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and heart rate monitor, including hand pulse monitor. So there you have it. Our Exerpeutic Space Saver Folding Recumbent Bike is packed with features, yet easy to use and store. We also provide a 1-year limited warranty. So what are you waiting for? Let's get busy.
Looking for an effective way to burn calories and get in better shape but don't have much room? The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large anatomically designed thick padded seat and large multi-grip padded handlebars. With folded dimensions under 17 inches by 18 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike.
Everyone knows the benefits of exercise, but some people who are overweight, older, and lack of long-term exercise need to pay special attention when exercising. Since the lower limb muscle power is not enough to support their knees when exercising, wrong exercise mode is also bad for the knees. HARISON V8 recumbent cycle can solve this puzzle perfectly. Special recumbent seat structure gives you the safe, easy, and effective motion trail. HARISON tests repeatedly to show that this product will support your body with the best way and protect your knees when exercising. 14 resistance level contain different multiple exercise intensity. You can also connect your iPad and join your interesting workout. So, let's go exercise together.